One and I see 20 men get.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Well, my name is Dika and this is Dika Vlogs. I am a YouTuber based in Nigeria and I create content on lifestyle, beauty, and information about master's degree programs, grad school programs, life outside Nigeria, if you ever want to travel outside Nigeria, and basically everything fun and in between. So, if you're new, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in all my other videos. Enjoy yourselves. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. You are welcome, and we're going to have a lot of fun.